create employment and also industries to employ our young people. So we have a lot of potential as a country, and what I've told them is in their master planning, they must take into account areas for industrial growth, industrial areas, because if you create an industrial area, then you create enough water to that area, you create enough electricity, roads, infrastructure, and we also support skills development, especially at the TVET institutions. So municipalities and cities are very important to the prosperity of this country, to the image that we create, that we want clean, smart-looking cities.
63. The whole of Africa will be an urban corner. So through MIDPs, Municipal Integrated Development Plans, these chairpersons are making themselves available to actualize the industrialization agenda. And so the consumerism as a way of living is not our concern. Our concern is now how to create wealth from the municipalities, which are the focal points for production and value addition.
One of the challenges that we are having, and this is why we would urge the Permanent Secretary to be able to assist us, is on the question of financing. Of course, we'll be discussing here how we can be able to finance cities and municipalities better. And one of the ways of the financing is ensuring that we not only transfer the functions from the counties, but at the same time be able to ensure that the counties have the necessary resources that correspond to the functions that they have, so they can be